Hey Barons, Miss Carp here. All right, so video 1 for partial fraction decomposition 11.5b. This is repeating linear factors. This is case 2 in your textbook. All right, I'm going to move quick because this might take us a little bit longer. All right, so here's where this is different. I'm not going to have you guys factor this one. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to, anytime it's linear, you're only going to have a single letter in the numerator. So we're going to have this. We're going to have b over x plus 2. So I've got this factor, this factor. Now what you have to do, this is where everybody makes a mistake. You have to do x plus 2 and you have to square it. I'm not going to tell you why today. Maybe another video I will tell you why. Or maybe you could tell me. So with this in mind, we're going to do a fraction bust again. So I would end up with 7x plus 4 equals a times x plus 2 quantity squared plus b times x plus 2 times x minus 3 plus c times x minus 3. So we fraction bust, got rid of the denominator. So you notice again, I can choose let x equal -2, and this one will go away. And you'll have this value still, right? And you don't forget this side to sub in -2. We could sub in 3, we would lose this one and this one, all right? So after that, we're gonna have a little bit of a problem. So here we go. We're gonna let x equal -2, and I get 7 times -2 plus 4 equals 0, 0, and I get c, and I get -2 minus 3. So for this, I get -14 plus 4 equals -5c. So I got -10 equals -5c, so c is gonna equal 2. I'm going to hold on to that. And I can use this in the future to solve for the others. All right? So the next one we're going to do is we're going to let x equal 3. Again, please don't forget this side. Right? So I got 7 times 3 plus 4 equals a. And I got 3 plus 2 quantity squared. Now when I sub in a 3 here, this 0 times those go away. Sub in a 3 here, that goes away. So I end up with 21, this is a 4. I end up with 21 plus 4, so I get 25 equals a, and I got 5 squared. So it looks to me like a is going to equal 1. Again, I can use this in the future for the other ones. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let x equal, I want a number that's going to make these really, really close to 0, but maybe not 0. So I can choose any number I want, all right? I could choose 0, but then these are going to get a little bit bigger. So I think I'm going to choose let x equal 1, and I'll sub it in everywhere. So let x equal 1, and then I'm going to use these to get me the rest of the numbers that I need. So I got 7 times 1 plus 4 equals a, and I got 1 plus 2 squared plus b, and I got 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 3, and I got plus c times 1 minus 3. So with this in mind, I have 7 plus 4, so I got 11, and I've got a, and I have 3 squared, plus b, and b is going to be, this is going to be -2 times 3, so that's -6, and plus c times -2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use these values that I got before. So I've got 11 equals a was 1, and that'll be times 9. B we didn't have, so that'll be times -6. And c we had, which was 2. So now I have 11 equals 9 minus 6b minus 4, right? So now I've got 11 equals, here I've got 9 minus 4, which is 5 minus 6b. I'm going to subtract 5, and I get 6 equals -6b, so b equals -1. All right, let's write our partial fraction decomposition. All right, so we had a, which was over x minus 3, and a is 1, plus b now, which was -1 over x plus 2, and plus a c, which was 2 over x plus 2, x plus 2 squared. There's your partial fraction decomposition. Stay calm, math on.